got it. Looks like you had a bad, yeah, the valve broke. But even so, with the supply valves, as you can see, I can turn it, but I can't get it all the way off. So even the supply valve is bad. And like, I got this one off on this side too, and it still runs. So both supply valves have went bad as well. They're not shutting it off. So I'm gonna have to go down farther and try to find a shut off for it. Let me see where that's tapping off from. Looks like it's going into here somewhere. Looks like the, yeah, so the supply is going in here somewhere. Connects around, comes around the corner there. Okay. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Just trying to see something real quick. Okay, nothing behind there. Okay. All right. Even your shut-off valves are bad up there on that. I'll have to see if I can find it downstairs. Just to turn, I got to be able to turn that all the way off. Sink looks good. You got anything? No other, anything but just that sink down here, that's it? No more, okay. Is your basement this way? All right, I'm gonna go look down there and take a look. Okay, so I'm thinking these might go up to the shower. Let's try it and see. Let's try turning them off here. Wow, it really didn't give you much room there, did they? Ah, damn. Ah. Okay, let's see if that does it, because that is on this side. And then we got some going up there too. Let's see if that's the ones. Okay, so yeah, that turned them off there. All right, so we'll have to get a replacement for that type of faucet. And okay. All right, so we're here to do a tub. Gotta fix a tub that has this kind of faucet, which, you know, I had to order that online. And I get a nearly exact match. I mean, it's pretty much exactly really the same. Got it off of Amazon. Couldn't get it in a box store, so these are very kind of unusual. But all right, let's get it going. Okay, so that's not even a hex connection there, huh? Oh, what is that? So, let me see. All right, so these were leaking here and failing. Looks like they're probably corroded here. So got some new ones. New Bathcock elbows, fittings, and we're gonna go ahead and throw them on now. Let's see. Yes. All right, so that will work. Fits real good. Okay. Come on, sit in there right. Okay. Gotta tighten this one first. It's hard to get over there. Alright. Should be good. Alright, so the Bathcock is installed. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Then everything's tightened back down here. Put the new Bathcock elbow fittings in. And that should be it.